Hello there, today I show you my architecture sketch, how to use it and custom it. There is previously applied result. This is the cover photo, and this is exclusive our effect, and dual combine, triple combine effect, and many custom are available, freehand working. So this is the result, on kind of result and another kind of result and another kind. See the result and quality. And another one, this is there is the side border available. You can out of side border, and see the side border style is another one, looking another style, another and another. This is the sketch looking. See the blueprint and the soft color and another soft color. Okay, now I show you how to use it and custom it. First, go my download file. There is brush file and pattern file. You need to load it, and this is the script and this is the cover and our supporting information. You can join our support anytime. Send a message, our WhatsApp number and Facebook fan page, and join our live support any days. Okay, and check out the help file. Some information are there. The image size and version working, and how to use written format, and there is our supporting information written format. Okay, now I want to load firstly brush. Go my Photoshop and go window and brush option, click. Now brush option show, and more option click and input brush. Find out my main file, download file, architecture sketch, and select the brush file and load button, click. Now it's loaded. Now I have closed it, and go window and pattern option, click. Then click the more option and input pattern, and find out my download file, main file, and select the pattern and load button, click. Pattern is loaded. Now go window and action option, click, and action option. Maybe find out the right side. I have settled it left side for better understanding purpose or looking video skin looking purpose. Okay, now I have load. I need to load action, click the more option and load action button, click. Now find out my download file, architecture sketch, select and load button, click. Now it's up and down the folder, down it, and last one, architecture sketch. This one is a folder. This is the escape all-in-one action, play me. So now you can open photo. Our everything is loaded. So I want to open this photography first. You can use any high resolution image, don't worry about it. And make sure your photography is a lock icon show, and background name is background. Sometimes some photo look like PNG, transparent, or layer 0 format, that is not accept the action. Or you have a lock button, click, not accept it. You need to fix it. If your photo is transparent, PNG, and layer 0 format, right button, click the mouse and fit an option, click. Now is set a lock background layer. Okay, and make sure your photography is a RGB color mode. If not the RGB color mode, go image mode and RGB, just click there. If show in images, click OK. It's convert to RGB color mode. Now image and size, you can use any high resolution size, but if not the high resolution you need your target size, you just type the target size. This time I have need 300 pixel, any of site area, height or width, any area. OK button, click. Is save your extra lost time. If you use the high resolution more, and that is not need so it's our script need extra time. Select all-in-one and hit the play button. Do not need any brushing or any other step. Just select and hit the play button. Now we start working. It's need some time extra by separate layer fixing, and we have include some different color variation. Hello there, action is done working. Now you can custom. This is the finishing result and stop message. Okay, and see the default looking. I show you it's a full screen now. Okay, see the quality is a great quality, and sketch is available there, see, and detail. Now I show you the combination. So our top border, if you do not need the border, so you can go the top position. See this top position, the border, I have mentioned the folder, group folder, out. Just uncheck this and border is out, and okay, border replace, just view the border eye, and this is the border color replace. Double click this option, and you can change color anytime in this border color. Just select any color and OK button click. Now is set, but this time I have used the white version. Okay, and now I do not need the watercolor include in this focus point. So this is the watercolor option, back art all. See this group, just uncheck this group folder eye, and now is hide and all are line art, our architecture line art. This is the bonus point and extra include for decoration purpose. Okay, so now see, and there is the sketch available, looking and detail, and if you think the color version is not perfect, so you can change this color, and border also you can use this border, use the top border too, and there is the another dynamic border looking show. Okay, and there is the paper option, you can uncheck the paper looking. See, now is more wide version. Okay, and all are available there, the option line sketch there, and the line drawing, shading, every layer are separate. You can check out the layer base, and I just show you the combination now, and you can hide this option for adjustment. See the looking, the color is now black and white option, full screen. This is the quality, and just hide this level option, and I want to this border now, border like watercolor, and this is the looking, and I have just hide this level option. Is if I use the level option, then there is the color darkness showing, and now we can use any color. See, there is the color replace in top position and overall area, and double click this color option and show up with the color, and you can replace any color, change the color, and OK button click. Now is change the color, and also you can replace another color. I have unchecked this one and use this one, another color. This is the blue color, our blueprint, and if you want to the line art blueprint architecture, you just select back art all one, just uncheck this one. Now outline is blue color show, so blueprint now is look available in blueprint sketch. See, so this is the technique, and double click this option, you can change this blue color. This double click this option and property option show, and you can change the color. Wait and see is working. You can change directly, just click and it change. Okay, I think my blue color is the perfect, and there is the another color changing option. See the vintage color looking, and you can use this black back art, and there is the back art show, and I have hide this one, and show you the on decoration, use this one, and there is the paper mode. I have used now paper mode. See the looking is another looking, and there is the color effect, and check out all color effect in top position. See another one, So all color is in there. You can check out all color and combination. Check out. Now I show you another photo how it work. I can use any type of photo. Okay, now I have used this one, and image size 3500 is a high resolution, and select and hit the play button. Now it start working, and it's already lock background layer and RGB color mode. That's why I do not need do anything, and it's start working. Now it's finishing, and see the looking just awesome and perfect. And now I just uncheck this level option, and you can see the color grading is whitish tone, and outline is black shading. It's perfect tone, and you can use this color replace option, this one, and so and there is the show soft color version looking. See, and I show you another one. Open it and play button. See, it's working. Wait and see. I just cut some video extra area. Okay, this is the finishing result, and see the looking, and you can hide the level, hide this level, and looking is very professional and attractive looking. And you can use this color changing option, color changer or color option. It's very nice, and blue pen style, and you can decorate the border. This is the dynamic border. Download this product. Visit our shop MRI Studio Creative Market. Search MRI Studio in Creative Market, and also you can download others market, MRI Cocoon and MRI Cocoon Graphics River, and our one shop, the photoshopaction.net, www.photoshopaction.net. This is our on site, and you can download our product, maximum product download, discount price 60% now, discount available. Sometime is 50%, is up and down, and sometime 80% and 90% and 70%. So up and down, and sometime 20%. Now is 60% available download. Discount price and bundle price offer is 99%. This bundle is 99% discount. Check out the bundle offer, and check out the flash sale offer, and our Photoshop everything and graphical everything. And there is the free file surprise for you. Free file, download our free file, and there visit this option, and check out my video description for download link in this product and our site link.